What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a pretty significant day for me, marking a major upgrade in my personal tech setup. After careful research and consideration, I finally got my hands on a new laptop, and I'm genuinely excited to share this unboxing experience with you. This is the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 15.6-inch model, and as you can see from the packaging, it's quite sleek and minimalist. Let's get right into it. First impressions as I pull it out of the box. The build quality feels remarkably solid. This is like a deepish blue color, as you guys can see. We also got the Lenovo branding logo right here. Alright. It has a premium, durable feel that inspires confidence, which is exactly what I was looking for a daily laptop. The 15.6-inch display is a significant feature. This will be invaluable for multitasking, detailed school projects, and certainly for an immersive viewing experience, whether I'm editing videos or gaming. Diving deeper into the display is a full HD FHD panel. This means I'll be getting crisp, clear visuals essential for precise video editing work and enjoying high-resolution content. As a standout feature for productivity and creative tasks is touch screen functionality. This adds an extra layer of interaction, which is good for the screen. Beyond the laptop itself, the box contains the essentials: the power adapter, a user guide, and that's about it. Clean and straightforward, which is what I prefer. Now let's cover the ports on this laptop. We have a USB port right here, an HDMI, a USB-C port, and an aux port. And on the other side, we have another USB port and a typical SD card reader. Now for the moment of truth, powering on for the first time. Alright, we see some lights here. Right here, we're seeing the Lenovo logo, and it looks like it's booting up. Oh wait, another Lenovo logo. Let's show why I chose this laptop. The decision to go with this particular Lenovo IdeaPad 1 was driven by specifications, which aligns perfectly with my diverse usage needs for this laptop. At its core, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor. This is a modern, efficient CPU and part of AMD's latest mobile lineup. The U series indicates that it's designed for ultrabooks like this IdeaPad right here, offering excellent performance for everyday computing while maintaining good battery life, which is almost 10 hours. For my purposes, heavy web browsing, document creation for school, and running demanding applications like video editing software, the Ryzen 5 chip provides ample processing power without being overkill. Complementing the processor, we have 8 GB of DDR5 RAM. DDR5 is the latest generation of RAM technology, which offers significantly faster data transfer speeds compared to previous DDR4. What does this mean? Smoother multitasking, quicker application loading, and enhanced performance in memory-intensive tasks such as video files or running multiple programs at the same time. Storage-wise, it's equipped with a 256 solid-state drive or SSD. The SSD is a non-negotiable characteristic for me. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs offer dramatically faster boot times, which is great for heavy applications. While 256 GB may seem modest to some, it's plenty for my operating system, essential software, and active projects, especially for my needs. For larger files and archives, I would use external storage like OneDrive or a USB drive. So how do these specifications translate into my daily workflow? Firstly, for academics, this laptop is a powerhouse. It will be my primary tool for online classes, research, and projects. The combination of a responsive processor, ample RAM, and fast storage will ensure a seamless educational experience. Secondly, and perhaps one of the most exciting aspects for me, is video editing. I've been expanding my skills in this area, and with this laptop, I can do even better. I'm excited to know how it performs with rendering videos and effects. Lastly, and definitely for some downtime, is gaming. While this isn't marketed as a dedicated gaming laptop, the integrated graphics within the Ryzen 5 processor are surprisingly capable. This comes with the Radeon 610M processor. I'm excited to play games like Fortnite and other titles, which allows for an enjoyable gaming experience. I'll definitely be putting this to a test in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for a gaming performance review. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the initial look and feel of the Lenovo IdeaPad. It's fantastic for performance, features, and portability. This is a significant tool that will support my academic pursuits, creative endeavors, and certainly some entertainment. I'm eager to get this fully set up and dive into fully using it. What are your thoughts on these specifications? What kind of content would you like to see next with this laptop or other videos? Should I jump straight into a gaming test or perhaps a deep dive into its performance with video editing software? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this unboxing informative, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, and more tech reviews, tutorials, and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.